If you use Google Ads to promote your business, at some point, you're probably going to come across this email, which says new page indexing issues detected, and then it'll say whatever the site is. This is my Kajabi course analytics. And so when you look at the website pages by views, you'll see that over half of my pages by views for the past month, for the last 30 days, have been 404 pages. Now, my solution to this, because I couldn't understand why they were getting a 404 page, my solution to this problem was to simply, because I couldn't fix it and I hadn't yet gotten that email, I just updated my 404 page to be a little more friendly. Because before it was just like some random blank screen with just words, and it was no interactivity. So I changed my 404 page to now it says, instead of like this page was missing, it'll say oops, which is a little bit more personal. And then just in case, because I know the ads are prompting people to download the outline, just in case they don't want to get taken back to the good stuff, which will take them back to the landing page, they can actually download their course outline on that 404 page. So just in case that was all they came here for, then they can just go ahead and scroll down and download it. But if I can fix the fact that they're even getting to the 404 page in the first place, that would be ideal. So I'm going to hit fix page index issues. I reached out to my Google person. When you spend over a certain amount with your daily budget, you get qualified to have someone who's like specifically supposed to help you with your Google ads. And for me, that person is Amanda. And when I reached out, she was like, this isn't her forte, so I would have to reach out to tech. So I'm going to attempt to do that now. I got that error because it wasn't on the right email. I have more than one Gmail account. So right now it's saying that 6 of my pages are indexed and 18 are not. And so according to Amanda, she says that I should be able to click on the link and follow the prompts and guidance. It shouldn't have any effect on our ads, which, as we know, it definitely does have an effect on our ads because people are getting the 404 page. So, let's see. So this email, page indexing issues detected in sologuidetosuccess.com. Top issues are the not found 404 page. And so when I come here, when something is not indexed on Google, that means that it can't be found in the search results. And so this one right here is a problem, but the login page is not. Because if we go here, it's just going to take us to the landing page. So this page does need to be indexed, but the other 2 login pages do not. So let's go ahead and test our live URL. It does take a moment or two. Okay, and now it has been fixed, so we can request indexing. Okay, got it. Now I'm gonna go to our other page. So let's go. Okay, so that was the 404 page. No, what's this? Okay, I don't necessarily want to have that index. Okay. Alternate page with proper, okay, so login, get started, and this one is one that we want to index because it is not a login page. So we're gonna test our live URL. Okay. And now that the test is finished and everything looks good and it can be indexed, then we can request indexing and it's being submitted. So we got it. Okay. Let's go back to page indexing. Okay. So that was for those two. So we've gone in and we've requested indexing for both of these pages, even though it doesn't look like it's going to show me that I requested it. And then when those two come back on, okay, no index, pages with redirect. Let's see. Okay, so this is one of the pages with redirect. So, and this one is as well. Okay, so let's go inspect the URL. Let's go ahead and test it. Indexing is allowed, so it should be indexed. So I'm going to test the live URL. Google is going to do all of its things. And it can be indexed, so we're going to request indexing. Okay. The other one was here, the library. So we're going to inspect it, and then we're going to test the live URL. Okay, all of the checks look good, so we can request indexing. Okay, now we're getting the hang of it. I'll do a couple more just to make sure. Crawled, not currently indexed. Let's see what those are. Okay, so this one probably shouldn't be on the index. So we're gonna go and inspect the URL, because the about page should definitely be indexed. So let's go ahead and test it. All right, so now we have all of the green. So we're going to request indexing because we've made sure that all of our things are okay. All right, we got it. Okay, the next one is going to be this one. We're going to inspect our URL. Okay, we're going to test our live URL. Okay, URL is not available to Google because of the no index detected in the robots meta tag. So this site cannot be indexed, the redirect offers page. So let's see if any of the other pages can be indexed. Password new, I'm not sure that I want that one to be, but this checkout page should be indexed. I feel like, oh, for life coaching. Maybe not. Let's see. Inspect URL. Let's see if it can be indexed. We're going to test the live URL. Okay, this one has no index detected in the meta tag, so it cannot be indexed. Let's go ahead and do our next one, which is the store. I feel like there's no reason that the store should not be indexed. So let's see if this is a fix that we can do. Unless, of course, it has what? No index in the robots meta tag. Let's see. Okay, so this one can be indexed. So we're gonna go ahead and request indexing. All right, so now that has been requested. And so that's just a general process of how the pages can be fixed from this email. Some of them can be fixed and some of them cannot. And so let's see, this sales page. Let's see if this is the last one that I'll do, because I don't know if the sales page, okay, indexing is allowed. So if we go ahead and test the live URL, and when, okay, page fetch failed, page not found. So this is a URL that is resulting in, okay, and it's actually redirecting me to this, which is not okay. Okay, so this is the site. Okay, so the sales page. Okay, this is the old sales page. Okay, so this one. And so what is it saying? If they can't, the authoritative version of this page, which should not be the case. Let's see. Oh. No. That is not what that should be going to. For this referring page, it's supposed to take them to this sales page. But this sales page was set up for a different funnel that I ended up putting as a draft because I went with a different one. So consequently, the site not having anything available and taking them to a 404 page means that Google is now recommending that they take them to this wavestrategy.com sales page, which is not mine and also does not have anything on it. So in order to fix that, I'm going to go into I believe it's under just its own landing page right here. Okay, so this is the sales page. If we look here, oops, not at that. If we look at edit details, this is our sales page. So this is no longer something that is available for people to see. So what I can do is I can actually go in and change this and customize this sales page so that it can now stop being referred to as, an error. So I'm gonna go through that process now of just, okay, so that's the sales video. And then, let's see, select a recent, okay. Let's see, I think I want to do, which one? Probably this one. Select, okay. So, whoa, yes, save. So, and then save my seat, and then offer title with a call to action. But I actually might just want to hide that and do a couple of videos in here, just because I've done that for other pages. Yeah, and let's go ahead and add that. We're gonna hide 2 of these because eventually I will make one, but for now, eventually I will make 4 videos for this, but for right now, on all of the landing pages, I only have 2 videos, and that seems to be working okay. So I'm going to just make it 2 videos, okay? And then we don't need any of this. It's gonna take that whole section here. We're gonna hit save. We're gonna center this on both of those. And then we're going to, actually video gallery. I want to move the text above my videos. Okay, and then I'm gonna actually put the videos in. I already have them uploaded, so which one is this? Why do you want to start a business? And that is gonna go with, yep. And then this one, oh, might have to save that or it's not gonna, yeah, save. And then this one over here, we're gonna do select a recent video, that's this one. And then we're gonna put our thumbnail there, that's this one. And then we're going to save. And once that loads in, I'm gonna hit save. Okay, so now, yeah, so now we have a sales page that actually looks like something. So I'm really glad that I didn't delete this, because now I can publish it. And now it is published. So when I come back over to Google, okay, let's go back to overview. Okay, and from overview, we go to the full report, and from there we go to duplicate, choose another. That was this one. And then from here, this is the page. So we're gonna inspect it, okay? And then we're gonna test the live URL. I fixed it. So we should not have this problem anymore, but let's see what Google says. Oh, what's this? What's this? What's this? I fixed it. And I feel like this is probably one of the biggest reasons why people were going to this page and nothing was coming up. So I'm gonna request indexing for this page now. And hopefully when they see all of these green checks, I think that was probably one of the biggest reasons why the 404 page was coming across. Okay, so that was how to fix the indexing issues for that email, and hopefully I can shed some more knowledge as I continue to work with Google to advertise the course. See you in the next one.